Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover design is a handmade decorative and functional case for a phone made using crochet techniques. These designs typically use yarn or thread and a crochet hook to create patterns that can be simple or intricate. Here are some tips for creating a crochet phone cover design. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is ideal because it is durable and does not stretch too much. For a softer, stretchier fit, consider using acrylic yarn. Use the crochet hook size. Use a hook size that creates a tight space or ensures the cover is snug and secure. Small hooks create finer spaces, while larger hooks make more open patterns. Measure your phone. Measure the dimensions of your phone to ensure a proper fit. Add a little extra for seams or closures. Crochet a cuff so as to avoid sizing issues. Select a sturdy stitch. Use sturdy stitches like single crochet or half double crochet to create a double protective cover. Avoid overly loose or lacy patterns unless you are using a liner. Incorporate a closer. Add a flap with a button, snap, or loop closer for extra security. Consider a drawstring or elastic top for easier access. Add a strap for handle, crocheted wrist or crossbody strap. If you want your phone cover to double as a mini bag. Decorate with embellishments. Add small flowers, appliques, beads, or embroidery to make the design unique. Use different yarn colors for stripes or patterns. Reinforce vulnerable areas. Pay extra attention to the edges and corners as they tend to wear out of the fastest. Consider lining the cover with fabric for extra durability. Test for functionality. Ensure the phone slides in and out easily, but does not slip out too loosely. Make sure any opening for charging ports or buttons are accessible if needed. Wash and block if needed. Lightly wash and block the cover to set the shape and improve the overall fit. Here are more advanced tips to help you create a professional, functional, and beautiful crochet phone cover. Design and customization tips. Try different stitch patterns. Experiment with textured stitches like bubble stitch, gel stitch to add depth and visual interest. Combine multiple stitch types for a unique pattern. Create opening for accessibility, leave soles or slots for headphone jacks, charging ports, or volume buttons. Use stitch markers to mark where these openings should be. Personalization. Crochet in details, names, or symbols to add a personal touch. Color blocking or gradient yarn for a trendy look. On a pocket, crochet a small pocket for cards, cash, and etc. Themed covers. Create fun themes like animal faces, fruit shapes, or holiday themed covers. Use color changes and small crochet shapes like ears, flowers, etc. to enhance the design. Durability and protection. Double layering. For more phone protection, create an inner liner or crochet a double layered cover. Use a thicker yarn or dense stitch for added cushioning. Elastic band or drawstring. Add a crocheted loop and elastic band or drawstring closer to keep the phone in place. Non-slip base. Crochet a ribbed or textured bottom to help prevent the phone from slipping on smooth surfaces. Finishing touches easing. Add a scalloped picot or curved stitch border for a polished and decorative finish. Use contrasting colors to make the edging stand out. Blocking for shape. Block the cover using a steam or a damp cloth to help it hold its shape better. Test for strength. Check the shims closer and straps for durability. Reinforce weak areas with additional stitching if necessary. Lining. Consider sewing in a fabric liner for a smoother interior and extra protection for your phone. Advanced design techniques. Color work techniques. Use tapestry crochet to incorporate intricate designs or pictures into the cover. Try mosaic crochet for bold geometric patterns. Gradient or ombre yarns can create beautiful transitions of color. By following these tips, you can create a stylish and functional crochet phone cover that is customized to your needs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!